Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will study derivation of barrier potential of p-n junction. We know in p-n junction, around the junction there is a space charge region. In space charge region, in p region there is negative charges and in n region there is positive charges. These immobile charges give rise to electric field, and this electric field opposes the further diffusion of holes from this region to this region and electrons from this region to this region. Now this electric field, how this electric field is related to distribution of these charges in this space charge region. Now this electric field is equal to the negative of the potential gradient, and this is given by equation E equals to negative of dV upon dx. By using the Gauss divergence theorem, the distribution of this electric field is related to the charges is given by this equation. This is the charge density and this is the permittivity of the space. Now by putting the value of this E in this equation, we will get this equation. Now the equation becomes dV square upon dx square equals to negative of charge density upon epsilon naught, means permittivity of the space, and this equation is known as Poisson's equation. We will make use of Poisson equation to get the potential barrier. Here the width of depletion region from the junction is, in n region it is xn, represented by in this graph it is xn, and in p region it is xp. Here from the junction it is xp, and this is the potential. Vp is the potential fall in p region and Vn is the potential rise in n region. So the total barrier potential, height of barrier potential is Vb. This is Vb. This Vb is equals to Vp plus Vn. Now we will derive this Vb. To derive the barrier potential, we will make use of Poisson's equation. This is Poisson equation that we have derived earlier. Here it is not epsilon naught. We are using epsilon here because this is not a space. Here it is a permittivity of the medium. By this diagram, charge density in n region and in p region will be more clear. This is junction, means here x equals to 0, and this xn is width of depletion region in n region. So the charge density in this region, in n region, is E into Nd. This E is charge and this is donor ion concentration, and in this case in p region this xp is width of depletion region in p region, and this is charge density negative of charge Na. This is concentration of acceptor ions. First we will take in p region. In p region, charge density is equals to negative of charge into acceptor ion concentration. Now putting this value of rho in Poisson's equation, we will get d square v upon dx square equals to E into Na upon epsilon. Now we will integrate this equation. By integrating this equation, we will get dv upon dx equals to ENA upon epsilon into x plus C1. This C1 is integration constant. Now to find this integration constant, we will apply boundary conditions. Boundary means the boundary of this space charge region is in p region, this is the boundary, and in n region this is the boundary. Here the width of depletion layer is up to minus xp and this is up to xn. So at boundaries the potential is constant here, so the derivation of this potential will be equals to 0. Now putting these values in equation 2, we will get C1 equals to ENA upon epsilon into xp. Now this is the value of C. Now again we will put the value of C in equation 2. Now the value of equation 2 becomes dV upon dx equals to ENA upon epsilon x plus ENA upon epsilon xp. We will take common. ENA upon epsilon will be common and in brackets x plus xp. Mark this equation as 3. Now integrating this equation 3, we will get V equals to E NA upon epsilon x square upon 2 plus xp into x plus C2. Now this is again the integration constant. Now we will find the value of this integration constant. Again we will apply boundary conditions. We are considering P region, so the boundary is from here to here. Here is x equals to 0. So at x equals to 0, V is also equals to 0, because at junction voltage is equals to 0, potential is 0 here. So applying this condition, we will get C2 equals to 0. Now putting this value C2 equals to 0, V becomes V equals to E NA upon epsilon into in brackets x square upon 2 plus xp into x. Now because we are considering P region, so this V is equals to Vp and this x is equals to xp. So the equation becomes Vp equals to negative of E NA upon epsilon into xp square upon xp square upon 2. This is the final equation of potential in P region. Now we will derive potential rise in N region. Here value of rho means charge density is equals to charge into density of donor atoms. Now we will put value of this rho in Poisson's equation. Now the equation becomes d square V upon dx square equals to negative of E into nd upon epsilon. Now integrating this equation, we will get dV upon dx equals to negative of E into nd upon epsilon into x plus C1. This is integration constant. Now again to find this C1, we will apply boundary conditions. In N region, the boundary in N region is this one. So the potential here is constant. So the derivation of this potential will be equals to 0. And the value of width of the depletion region in N region is equals to xn. So by putting x equals to xn at the boundary and dv upon dx, because potential at the boundary is constant, so this derivation of the potential will be equals to 0. So by putting these values, we will get value C1 equals to E nd upon epsilon into xn. Now we will again put this value of C1 in equation 7. So we will get dv upon dx equals to E nd upon epsilon into x plus E nd upon epsilon into xn. We will take this term common. Now the equation becomes E nd upon epsilon in brackets x minus xn. Again integrating the equation, we will get V equals to negative of E nd upon epsilon into x square upon 2 minus xn plus x plus C2. Now this C2 is again integration constant. Now to find value of C2, we will apply boundary conditions. Now at the junction x is equals to 0 and value of potential is also equals to 0. So by putting these values in equation 8, we will get value of C and we will find that C2 is equals to 0. So the equation 8 becomes, this equation 8 becomes V equals to negative of E and d upon epsilon in brackets x square upon 2 minus xn xp. Mark this as 9. We have derived it for N region. So we will take V equals to Vn and x equals to xn. So the equation 9 becomes Vn equals to negative of E into nd upon epsilon in brackets xn square upon 2 minus xn square. So final equation becomes, this one is the final equation for potential rise in N region. Now the height of the depletion region total height is given by VB equals to VP plus VN in modes. By putting the values of Vp and Vn, we will get the final value of Vb, barrier potential. The value of barrier potential is E upon 2 epsilon n in brackets NaXp square plus NdXn square. This is the final value of barrier potential. I hope you understand the concept. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.